Guys, we are back for a new update in that journey. If you do not know, I switched my Repricer. I'm not using Bqool anymore. I am using Aura, all right? And as we did the day 1 review, this is the day 3 review, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I've seen happening with Aura. Is it good? Is it bad? So I'm telling you the good, the bad, the ugly. And once again, in the car, but like small upgrade, I have my mic with me right now, so the audio is going to be crystal clear, all right? So, if you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon right here on YouTube. So if you are new here, subscribe, like this video, you get recommended more videos. All right. So, Aura repricing. So what have I noticed? So if you've seen the first video, a lot of good things. I have a lot of good things to say about Aura. I talked a little bit in the previous video, so I'll make a whole playlist with all these videos about Aura. But I talked a little bit about the hyperdrive feature, and there's another feature that I haven't talked about yet, which is the automatic max price. All right, and so what this feature does is you need a minimum price when you actually set your repricer on Aura. The good thing with Aura is that you can link a specific rule. So whenever I set my AI repricing rule, whenever I created it, I set a minimum price that is linked to that specific rule, and so the minimum price on all my ACs where I put that rule is 30%, which is great, all right, which is already great. However, you do not need to set a maximum price. You can let the AI decide what the maximum price is, which is actually amazing, and this is what I've seen. This is the main thing that I wanted to talk about in today's video. So what happened is that I had that specific ASIN. It's a shoe, right? That I listed because I'm the only one on the listing. I was the only one on the listing. I set it at 80 something. I forgot. I think we set the list price at 80 something. But we were the only person, like we were the only sellers on the listing, right? So what the AI repricer did is it said, so we sent it at 84. We turned on the repricing when it arrived. And so it set the price without setting a maximum price. It set the price at 92 something, so $7 above that. All right, and so without needing to do anything, they did that. They increased the price because we were the only sellers. They set the price themselves. The AI set its price itself, and we actually had a sale, so $7 above what we actually listed the item, which is actually amazing, right? It's actually amazing. It's more profit, and it's good to see that your repricer is actually working for you to make you more money. And the main thing is that, you know, it needs to be a just balance in between trying to push your profit up and maintaining a certain sales velocity. In terms of sales velocity, I think that I can say in the last few days, and I've been buying way more inventory in the last few weeks, but it really looks, so it could be a lot of things, because also we've been buying more inventory. We've been we started using the 2D barcodes, so inventory is checking in way faster, and our sales have increased in the last few days. Our sales have increased by like 30%. All right. I'm not sure that it has everything to do with the repricer. It's one factor. I'm pretty sure that it is one factor because we can see that some inventory that was not moving is actually starting to move, which is a great thing. But yeah, I'm actually super pleased with Aura right now, especially with what I said regarding this. So the auto max price is actually a great feature. It's actually a great feature, and I can't wait to see more of what Aura is going to do. I'm going to see how the AI is actually working. Regarding the specific ASIN that I was talking about, I don't know if you guys remember the specific ASIN. One of the ASIN that made me actually try to find something, another repricer. I haven't sold any other units yet, so maybe today, and it's actually pretty early still in the States. Actually, no, it's actually 4 p.m. So we will need to figure that out. But yeah, so far, I'm actually super happy with Aura. I'm actually super happy with the repricer. I really started to feel like, if I'm being 100% honest, and I've been noticing it a little bit more and more, I've been feeling like our repricer was really a bottleneck in our business, not only because the strategy that I had to run Bqool was taking a ton of time and was really hands-on. It really feels like with Aura, I can really start to, I can really take a step back, just set my minimum price at 30%, and it's not going to tank my price. I felt like if I did the same thing with Bqool, if I used the AI Repricer rules, it was going to tank 100%. So this is why the way I was doing it was way more hands-on with Bqool, and it was taking a lot of time. Not a ton of time, but it was taking too much time, if I'm being 100% honest. It was taking a lot of time, and I had a lot of different set of rules for a different set of, for different case scenarios, all that stuff. So it was not really the best. It was not really the best. It was taking a lot of time. And so far with Aura, and once again, I've only tried the AI rules. I haven't tried the regular rules. It really looks like, really looks like we are in the good. We are heading the right way. I really feel like my repricing right now is not something that is going to that needs to be changed. It's not a bottleneck anymore in my business. This is really the main thing that I was feeling. Maybe I should have used the AI rules a little bit more with Bqool, but so far, in my opinion, Maven, okay, which is the AI rules, and I'll make a full video using Aura, showing you how to use your Aura when I have more hands-on experience with the tool. We'll make a video in front of the computer. But yeah, so far I'm super pleased with Aura. The AI that they have, and I need to tell you guys this, the AI from Aura is way more powerful than the AI from Bqool. All right, it's way more powerful. It actually, and I don't know if it's more powerful, but it actually does what I'm hoping an AI doing your repricing would do. This is really what it is, right? It's doing, and repricing, it's a balance. It's a balance that you need to find in between, as I said towards the beginning of the video. It's a balance that you need to find in between not only the profit that you're trying to maximize your profit and trying to maximize your sales. It's all about finding that balance, and it really feels like Maven is on the right path. Like it really looks like, so far, and I've been using it for 3 days. I'm pretty pleased with the results. We're gonna see how it's gonna go, and remember, this is not the end. We are not going to stop with Aura. We are going to switch to Seller Snap in a couple of months, and we'll see how it goes. All right. So yeah, hopefully you liked this video. Hopefully you learned one thing or two from my experience with Aura. Little by little, I'm discovering features and I'm reviewing them from you guys. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it keeps going that way. If it keeps going that way, I think that it's even going to be hard for me to actually switch from Aura to Seller Snap, because the way it's going to be, like, even with Bqool, the main reason why I was not switching from Bqool is because, you don't break something that is, don't try to fix something that is not broken, right? And Bqool was working. It's just that it was a bit bottleneck because there was those dark areas, like for example that specific asins that I was talking about. There was some stuff that I was not able to do with Bqool that I was looking for another tool to actually do. But yeah, so far Aura has been doing good. We'll see how it goes. Then we'll try Seller Snap, and hopefully I'll have the courage to move from Aura to Seller Snap, because switching a tool that you've been using, that you have your process with, is actually like a lot of work. So we'll figure it out. All right. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video.